Start by attaching the yarn onto the hook. For the foundation chain, we're chaining 4. In the second chain from the hook, place 1 single crochet, followed up by 1 more single crochet in each of the chains all the way across. Row 2, chain 1 and turn the project. In the first stitch, place 1 single crochet increase, followed by 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 more single crochet increase in the very last stitch. Row number 3, chain 1 and turn the project. Place 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Row number 4, chain 1 and turn the project. Single crochet increase in the first stitch, next 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and 1 single crochet increase in the last stitch. Row number 5, chain 2 and turn the project. In the first 2 stitches, we're going to place 1 double crochet in each. Chain 3, skip the next 3 stitches, and in the last 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in each stitch. Row number 6, chain 1 and turn the project. In the first 2 stitches, place 1 single crochet in each. Followed by 3 single crochet inside this chain 3 space. Followed by 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. Row number 6, chain 1 and turn the project. In the first stitch, 1 single crochet increase, followed by 1 single crochet. In this chain 3 space, place 3 single crochet, one single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet increase in the last stitch. Row number 7, chain 1 and turn the project. Place 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Row number 8, chain 1 and turn the project. In the first stitch, place 1 single crochet increase. One single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. And 1 single crochet increase in the last stitch. Row number 9, chain 1 and turn the project. 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Row number 10, chain 1 and turn the project. 1 single crochet increase in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet increase in the next 9 stitches. And 1 single crochet increase in the last stitch. Row number 11, chain 1 and turn the project. In these next 2 stitches, we're going to place 1 single crochet decrease. Followed by 1 single crochet in the next 9 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, 1 single crochet decrease. Row number 12, chain 1 and turn the project. In the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet decrease. One single crochet in the next 7 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, 1 single crochet decrease. Row 13, chain 1 and turn the project. In the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet decrease. In the next 5 stitches, place 1 single crochet in each. In the last 2 stitches, 1 single crochet decrease. Row number 14, chain 2 and turn the project. In the next 3 stitches, place 1 half double crochet. Followed by 1 slip stitch. And in the last 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet in each. For row 15, we're going to go around this entire piece, starting by chaining 1, and in that same stitch, place 1 single crochet, and then continue to do that all the way around. Now we've come up to a corner where we need to turn, so place 1 single crochet, chain 1, and in that same stitch, 1 single crochet. Work 1 more stitch across, and then we have another corner, so single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet in that same stitch. Now I'm going to work over this tail that I have for the starting chain. That way I have one less thing that I have to weave in. Come to the bottom part. It's not really a corner, but I'm still going to chain 1 and single crochet in that same space just so I can have a nice border for the entire piece. And this one's a little bit hard to work into since it's a slip stitch, but still place 1 single crochet inside. Now we've made it all the way around. So for this stitch, I'm going to insert my hook and pull through the yarn, then grab my pair of scissors and cut the working yarn. So this one I'll have to weave in, but since I worked over this one for the starting chain, I can cut that right off. Thanks for joining me today, ghouls, making this applique. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to leave me a pumpkin emoji in the comments down below. Have a super spooky rest of your night, and I will see you ghouls in my next video.